As a marketer, I took it for granted that what Salesforce is giving me, what Marketo, whatever solution that was that is providing the data, is correct. I think so many people take that for granted that their master data is accurate, that their reference data is correct. I'm Jonathan James Cramer, and I say, put your data to work.
Put your data to work. Put your data to work. Jonathan Cramer.
Master data is my passion. So I create the marketing content around that, the awareness. I try to make it fun and exciting and thought leadership. And
So you do marketing content for the data content.
yes.
So your content. Is anybody confused by that other than me?
No one. No, it's never come up. I never have to explain it ever. Right? Years ago, my first job out of grad school, I was working in a startup. I was doing, jack of all trades marketing, writing this sort of thing, and I was working on what we called tokens, and those were lines in the database where you would fill in. There would be a drop-down menu where what is the country, what is the code, what is the category, county, that's town, address, that sort of thing. So then I realized after talking to you for 5 minutes, I've actually done some sort of...
That's it. That was master data. Reference data, master data. Yeah, that was reference data. That's a really good way to explain it to folks. It's like, okay, the drop-down menu for state, that just grow there.
Yeah.
Where is that?
Right.
Do a drop down. It's like that data. Where did that come from? Where did you get that list of whatever the heck it is, colors, sizes, states, that came from somewhere?
Right.
That's it. That's what it is.
I remember specific examples where they weren't defined properly, and it's amazing now.
Now you know what?
Now I'm connected.
It all makes sense.
It's all connected.
It's a circle.
It's all connected.
And the thing, just as long as you wave your arms.
Yeah, exactly.
Reference, their reference data.
Reference data, yeah.
Reference.
Reference.
It was reference.
Right. Content,
The meta. Yeah.
I think we're onto something.
Yeah.
So it was interesting, and what you said was true even back then was that you solve those problems and a lot of your problems go away.
Yeah.
And so it's amazing to see today that we still have those problems.
Yeah. They're ubiquitous.
Yeah. And I worked on the implementation of a content marketing platform, and we were aggregating data from Salesforce, Marketo, whatever our solution stack was, and I didn't know.
I'm just fixing the place up.
Great.
Don't mind that. We got some.
It's a little
some family coming over.
A little light in the
later.
square footage here, but we'll deal with it. So, and back then I didn't think of the master data. So, looking at the results we were getting from all our stats on the performance of content, I never went back and checked the master. I never asked anyone who was doing our Salesforce instance or whoever the data person was, how is your master data? So I think back to those days and think how much of that data was skewed or was inaccurate.
You don't see it.
Right.
That's it. You feel it when it's.
As a marketer,
it's behind the scenes.
Right. As a marketer, I took it for granted that what Salesforce is giving me, what Marketo, whatever solution that was that is providing the data, is correct. Therefore, my content marketing platform will crunch the numbers and give me the right, metrics that I need.
Yeah,
so I was taking that for granted. I think so many people take that for granted that their master data is accurate, that their reference data is correct, and it's
classic, tragic flaw.
It's tragic.
You don't know. It's just garbage in, garbage out.
Yeah.
Great to see you in this room right here.
We met in this room right here.
Put your data to work.
Put your data to work.
Put your data to work.